How to make Afro shaker loops that sound like this. This is the shaker and this is the kick. The tempo is set to 100. On the shaker, select steps 1, 3 and 4. Open the piano roll. Go on this button with the magnet icon, select none. Zoom in completely. Select the first MIDI note, hold shift, move twice to the right. Select the second MIDI note, hold shift, move twice to the left. Select the last MIDI note, hold shift, move twice to the right. Zoom out. Then go on the button with the magnet icon, select cell. Highlight this entire bar, duplicate it 3 times using Ctrl B. Then this is how it sounds like. Okay, open the velocity window by dragging this window at the bottom. Zoom in a little bit. Then on the first note, set the velocity to 80%. On the next note, 80%. On the next one, 90%. On the next one, 60%. On the next one, 80. On the next one, 90. On the next one, 60. On the next one, 90. On the next one, 70. On the next one, 90. On the next one, 60. And on the last one, 75. Close the velocity window. And this is how it sounds like. Okay. Close the piano roll. Clone the shaker. Copy the shaker pattern. Paste it onto the shaker 2. Then deselect steps number 2, 5, 8, 9, 12, 14 and 16. Open the piano roll. Cut all the MIDI notes. Then go on to shaker 1, open the piano roll, paste. Make sure that the first note of the copy is on the first note of the notes you found in the piano roll. Okay, now this is how it sounds like. Select everything, copy, paste 2 steps, paste 2 semitones down, and make sure that it is in alignment with the one at the top. And this is how it sounds like. Okay, close the piano roll, delete shaker 2, then on the kick, fill every 4 step. Open the piano roll, select everything, zoom in, go on the button with the magnet icon, select none, then hold shift, click left twice on the arrow key. Close the piano roll, then this is how it sounds like. without the kick. With the kick. Okay, that's it.